If you find the long tail cast on to be just a smidge too tight, the German twisted cast on will be perfect for you. It adds just that little bit of extra stretch without adding too much bulk to your cast on edge and distorting your work. Let's get going. This cast on is similar to the long tail cast on in that you need a long tail to start. So if we are going to put on 14 stitches, we would wrap our yarn around 14 times and then add a little extra, not just for weaving in, but because this is a little stretchier, it uses just a little more yarn. So you can start off with a slip knot. I prefer to just kind of twist my yarn around a few times. And you're going to grab the loose yarn with your pinky finger and your ring finger, and then stick your index finger and thumb through this little opening. And now what you want to do is scoop under both of these pieces of yarn, like that. And then put the needle down through the little hole that it makes and move over to the yarn by your finger. And this is where it gets a little bit tricky. So you want to pick this up and you want to bring it through this tiny little triangle that it makes. And tighten up. And I'll show you that again slowly. So grab the two pieces of yarn, stick your fingers through the hole, and then go underneath those two pieces of yarn by your thumb, down through the hole, and then swing over and pick up this piece by your finger, and now come through the hole right there. And you can move your fingers around a little so that you can see that hole a little better. But once you get the hang of it, you can really start to go quite quickly. And it's actually kind of fun. And there is your German twisted cast on.